we get another wrap on that?
Well, I'm wondering if...
Your angle's off.
That's when we come back and hit the house.
You ready?
I guess I am.
Can you take out my slack?
Take up your slack. It's not going to fall on me, is it?
No.
There it goes.
Yeah, see, it wasn't.
Okay. Can you guys pull it?
That's the nice thing about a hinge.
You got that?
Think so. Dawson, want to help him? Her?
See if you guys can pull it off of that. Just don't. Look out, Clint. Sorry. Yikes.
Alright, suck in that coat.
Okay.
Mom,
Keep doing it. Keep doing it.
No, because...
I'm not doing it. I'm just going to hold this.
Mom, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay, go ahead.
Hold.
Hold.
No, I'm calling Carlo back. I am.
Okay, somebody just come over here and grab the butt, maybe.
Yeah, just lay it down on that wood so it's easy to
Well,
cut
don't
with
leave
the fire.
Carlo.
with the
Dawson
paint.
grab the butt. Rachel go. Okay, or one. Okay, Dawson.
Mom,
Try to
can you
push
hear
it so it
me?
lays down this way. There we go.
Mom.
Hey guys, can you push it? Just go behind it. Other side, yeah. Leave that one out. There
Do
you
you hear me?
go. Good job. Okay, Levy, you can come back now.
Mom, can you hear me?
Yeah, you need to come on this side of the fence. That's the
You know,
neighbor's
that's a
yard.
big enough area.